Okay. Hello students. My name is Darshan Chaudhary, class F5A. Our subject is science and my topic names light and formation of sound. So let us know the what is light. So light is a form of energy which helps us to see objects, that is light. Okay. So light is basically what? Which means light travels in a straight line. So light has an important property, that is light is a rectilinear propagation of light. This is the light. Okay. So there are different examples of light, uh, like sun, moon, or electricity. These are the examples of light. Okay. So here in topic, let us know the what is there are two different types of object of light, that is luminous object and non-luminous object. Okay, so here we see the object or material which emit light, meaning those whose themselves are a source of light, are called luminous object, which means luminous object produce their own light. These objects emit energy that help us to see them even in the dark. For example, candle, torch, candle, torch, sun, bulb, etc. These are the example of luminous object. Now, next is the object or material that are uh, not sources of light themselves are called non-luminous object, which means it cannot produce their own light. It that light comes from first of all luminous object, and after that we see the reflection, which means when we uh, turn on tube light. Okay, then after we can see objects surrounding us easily. So these are the non-luminous objects. For example, table, chair, book, anything we can see through light. This is the non-luminous object. Okay. Okay. Now next. So it also further divided into two uh, types. There are artificial sources of light, like which means man-made objects or materials also emit lights. That is artificial sources of light, and one is natural sources of light. Now the sun is the main natural source of light. Other stars seen in the night sky, fireflies, some anglefish, as well as honey mushrooms are the natural sources of light. So these are the two sources of light, that is artificial and natural. So the okay, what is the reflection and reflection of light? Let us know. Okay, here we understand by that. Suppose here this is reflecting surface, right? This is our reflecting surface. This is incident ray, and this one is a reflected ray. Okay, like this. Wait, we draw it again. Mhm. Let us take different color, then you will get easily understand. This is reflecting surface and this is only okay. This is incident ray and this is reflecting ray. And in the one in between the 90-degree angle form that is imaginary path. Okay, that is imaginary path. Just understand the things. This is inci one. Okay, this is incident ray. This is a reflected ray. This is the angle in between angle form. That is angle of incident, and this is angle of reflection imaginary path ray. And this is reflecting surface. So here, this is now just understand how the source or the light which falls on the reflecting surface or reflection of surface which get reflected. Angle of incident ray, which means the light ray which falls on the surface, which is incident, and reflected ray which get bounced back, that is reflected ray. So after that, this form angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection and is known as the reflection of light. Okay, which is known as reflection of light. So these are the reflection of light topic. Means the first law what said reflection of light. The reflection of light is first law said that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and second is the imaginary ray, uh, incident ray, reflected ray, and hmm, and normal, which lies on the lies on the same plane. That is second law. These are the angle of reflection of light. So here let us read the points, that is propagation of light. So we have seen in the afternoon rays light entering through the slit in a door or a small hole in the roof. As these rays of light from the slit or the hole moves towards the floor or the dust particles, there are seen clearly. Due to this particle, the path of light becomes visible and we can see their path along a straight line. Here's the properties of light. That is, light travels in a straight path. So this is the propagation of light. So let us know the now let us read the points. Okay, look here. This is important. That is, light travels in straight line. This is called propagation of light. This is the important property. Now next is here reflection of light. What they say here, the rays of light falling off an object form a source are thrown back from the surface of that object. This is called reflection of light. We see the object when reflected reach our eyes. So this is the reflection of light. Here they give one activity how the reflection happen. Look here. The person see on that object from source of light. These are the type of reflection of light. Here we learn what is reflection of light. Okay. Thank you.